Hey everyone, how's it going? Hey Adam. Hey Kunal. Thanks, Evie. Yep, you can check out my video on how to learn data science. Hey everyone, how's it going? Pudding, how's it going? Kunal, SQL and MySQL, that's covered under databases. So, um, I also talk about that in that video as well. Counting, you're doing great. Awesome. Dataless Dream Journal. Hello there, Tina. Hello, everyone. Hello. Jessica, how's it going? Corazon. Sadie? Yeah, I was waiting for that. I was like, when is he gonna when is he gonna do that? What kind of flavor pudding are we doing today? Are we doing rice pudding? I think it was rice pudding last time, right? I quite like rice pudding or lemon pudding. Dataless, studying deep learning here. What are you guys doing? Yeah, what's everyone doing? I'm continue on my journey of finishing up the 4x course by Rainer, and then I'm gonna start. So right now I'm looking more towards online things. What is it called? TradingView and FinViz, where I look at some trades and I look at the graphs and stuff. But I haven't really used any code in order to do that because I just wanted to get a hang of it first. So today I'm gonna be starting like taking that data, using an API for that, and then trying to do some not it's still not going to be like automated, but I want to do some analysis to verify some of the assumptions and hypotheses that I do have using past data. That's what I'm doing. Pudding. Google Analytics course. Nice. Let me survive the course first. Then eat, please. Isn't that a waste of surviving the course then, Pudding? Shouldn't you get eaten and just no, don't go through with it anyway. What's the point of putting in the work then? Kaushik. Hello, how's it going? Kunal, what time is it there? For me, it is 7:33 a.m. Nakash, which FX course are you studying? It's like Rainer's free course. Let me show you guys. This one. Ultimate Forex Trading course for beginners. Yeah. I really like him. I think he's like the most, at least for me, I think he's one of the most like trustworthy people because I don't feel like he's trying to like sell me stuff. I mean, he does like a little bit of that. He's like, this is the only course that you need. Like, this is the best strategy. But if you actually watch the videos and stuff, it's very like thought out, and he's clearly very knowledgeable. So I quite like it. Yeah. Still down for recommendations. I think ooh, shoot. Who is it that gave me a recommendation for a book? Someone gave me a recommendation for finance for a trading book that I forgot. I wrote it down somewhere, but I forgot what it was. But if anybody here has any recommendations for trading courses, war books, I prefer courses, but if like a book is really awesome, I'm down for that as well. And this time I will try to not lose it. Please let me know. Um, yeah. Top 10 of everything. Hi, remember me? I think I do remember you actually. I mean, you're after all the top 10 of everything, so, how can you forget? Um, so Zulfikar, hi from Pakistan. Hello, Sebi. You'll be doing revisions or reformatting my paper. Nice. Dataless, Forex. I won't pretend it's someone that I know well, but I did work for Swiss Bank in IT in that particular domain for some companies. The first Friday at 8:30. My New York time is the worst. See, you're a professional. I'm just a retail noob. JN, algorithmic trading. Yeah, I am very open for recommendations. Someone did recommend me, it was supposed to be like a really good book, and I looked it up and then I forgot what it was. Damn it, Tina, why are you so disorganized? You should probably start using Notion. um Corazon, I think I'm pretty decent at Python now, just working on some personal projects. Awesome! Getting ready for the projects. It's the fun part. It's definitely the fun part. What are you interested in doing? I love to hear your project ideas. Pudding, it's called fulfilling death wish, then peacefully get eaten when my life is complete. I suppose that's true. It's a bit sad, isn't it? Never get to use your new skills. Dissolving. You know, that can be misconstrued, Sebi. That can be greatly misconstrued. Nikash, hey, how's it going? Daedalus, you're studying in the morning and then work afterwards. You're brave. You know, I try doing the other way around where I work first and then study, but realistically what happens is that just work consumes my life and I don't end up studying, where I'm just too tired after working. And I just like lay in bed and do nothing. This is the only time I can get myself to do it with you guys. Mohammed, hi from Saudi Arabia, 3:33 p.m. Ooh, Saudi Arabia. Jose, good morning. How's it going? Need to have a pudding full life. Kidu, I've done trading in the past. Gonna learn about crypto now. Cool, very cool. You can learn and teach me. Leon, study at 7:33. That's so early. I know, right? Get it out of the I get it done in the morning and it just makes the rest of my day feel so much better. It's a habit. It's a habit. Definitely very difficult in the very beginning. But now I'm just like, you know, it's not that bad anymore. Good morning, show. Kenya Zamunda. Hey. Hey from Kenya. Enjoying the world. Any Nepalese here? David, good morning. Luke, good morning. You're doing usual morning Japanese and Google data search. Awesome. All right. Valentina. Andrea, good morning. All right, shall we get started? Let's get started. Okay. Let's go. right. First Pomodoro finished. How's everyone doing? Chatty time. Kevin Gates, do you make money by trading? I did okay, but I only really started trading like a few weeks back. So I missed some of the pandemic changes. I'm planning to, hopefully. Hopefully I don't lose all my money and become homeless. That's the goal. You miss Sir Meat Meat? Oh, you know Meat Meat isn't actually here today. He's usually I bring him down, but today he was asleep in his tree and I didn't want to wake him up. So no beep beep today. Sad. I might maybe for the second Pomodoro, I'll go up and see if he's awake and I'll bring him down if he's awake. Hello, Christopher. How's it going? I've been trying to learn new skills in both Unreal and life. I do have a video called How to Learn Technical Things, so you should check out that video. Michael, good morning from a gray, cool, slightly rainy Georgetown, Ontario. I hope it's sunny and warm for you, with you. You know, it's about the same actually. It looks gray. I think it's not super cold though. Maybe like 12, 13 degrees. So it's not cold, but it is rather gray and slightly rainy as well. Sebi, Siddharth, it's just the first Pomodoro. Yep, we have one more. Hype, hype. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's a little, I didn't even know that emoji existed. Is it cat? Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna send one too. It's a cat in a box. If only the cat color was black or gray, then they would be beep beep and boop. Shayam, thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna figure out how to actually put like the super chats and onto my screen. I promise I'll figure it out. I'll make you guys a promise I'll figure it out by next week. Okay. I've been meaning to do it, but I keep just like forgetting. But I really want to show my appreciation. I shall write it down. Thanks, Abby, for getting rid of the spam from Jay. Well, hello though. If you don't spam, then I think we'll be happy to chat with you. Let's see. Let me refresh my window. I think it's a bit laggy right now for me. Oh, okay, good. Oh, cat, so cute. It's so adorable. It's in a box. It actually looks just like Beep Beep usually. He's always in the box, like behind the camera and just like poking his head out. Siddharth, I will do next Pomodoro. Yes, in 5 minutes. Well, 5 minutes-ish. The camera's a bit dirty. All right, let me try to fix it. No, it's good. Thank you for telling me that. I am not even know where the camera is. Let me just casually wipe it. Is it better? Is that better? Yeah. Yeah, no. Don't apologize. I appreciate it. I think that's better, right? Sebi, you successfully struggled to do a revision. Nice. You're on track. Shan. Don't have to call me ma'am. You can just call me Tina. Lucas, I believe that you're the only one who uses lipstick to work at home office. I'm not wearing any lipstick. What are you? What? This. I have this on. It's lip balm, but it's not lipstick. This is just my lips. Yeah. Luke, you need more coffee, but I'm trying to cut back. Oh. Water. Water reminder. Drink water, people. Stay hydrated. I need to actually get more water, but I'll finish this first. Drink coffee, have your caffeine, but also have your water. Stay hydrated. Balkadidi, Christopher, I would say that consistency is really useful while studying, and daily habits are also very useful. Yes, completely. Completely agree. The Nagitsuni, I should watch these more often. You remind me to take breaks. I'm glad. Breaks are good. Extended breaks are my problem. So you have the opposite problem as me. Z, you're sharing your channel everywhere. Thank you. I really appreciate that. I really hope that was helpful. Wayside, what's for breakfast? Well, I'm currently eating these fig and olive crisps from Trader Joe. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I usually just eat these, and then if I'm really hungry, I go upstairs and like eat a banana or something. Yeah. For lunch though, I haven't decided what I'm gonna have for lunch either. For lunch, I usually just have like some form of rice bowl with like avocado or eggs. I just need to eat rice. I just have to have rice like at least 2 meals a day. Even if it's like noodles, I need to like have rice with the noodles. It's the Asian in me. Babu, you have a doubt in Python. Shall I ask now? Sure. We can try to answer. 早上好，童子善财。早上好 to you too. See, background behind you is beautiful. This the you guys like my artistically designed look. I'm not gonna lie, I actually did think this through. I was like, look, you have like this nice relaxing looking board, and then you have some plants and this lamp for light and this fake plant over there. Do you guys like how it like frames me in? Very proud of myself. I'm really glad that you like it. Thanks for the water reminder. Yes, that's my problem. I get dehydrated really often as well. So I'm gonna try to remind everyone to drink water as well. Amok Sensei. Physics student exam in a week. Pray for me. Currently doing practice problems. Ooh, good luck, my friend. Good luck. Naveen, buy a bigger bottle, 5 liters at least. If I buy a bigger bottle, how am I gonna carry it around though? Then it'll just be like a huge ass bottle I'm walking around with. I actually did that for a while, but it was so heavy and it was just like kind of weird. I'm just walking around with this huge bottle. This one is like, I actually don't know how much this is. This is a liter, I think, 750 mils. So like 5 liters would be like. Do you walk around with that? Hi. Now it's 8:35 in Vietnam, and I will start to learn. Awesome. Good. Yeah, 1 pomodoro is good go. Let's try to be productive. I'm finishing up the rest of the course. Actually, I think I'm pretty much done. I haven't opened a Forex account yet, so I can't really trade, but I wrote it down as if I'm gonna trade and see what happens as like a mock thing, and then I'm just gonna focus on getting the pricing data and doing some analysis. What's my fave programming language? It's a hard one. I actually have to say, it depends on what I'm doing. Python in almost all cases. But I actually do like Java quite a lot when it comes to coding things that are more complex. Like there's a lot of like object-oriented stuff going on. I actually like Java. just because it's easier to it's in Python it's easy to make mistakes because its object orientedness is not enforced, so you can just like get lazy and not do something. But for Java, you can't, you have to do it. And for me, because I tend to be like lazy, or I like whatever, and I do a shortcut and it comes to bite me, so I do like Java. Rice and noodles item. Yes. Daedalus, no, go ahead. Go and redecorate my house. I appreciate it. All right. Shall we do next Pomodoro? All right. Let's go. right, we're done. Scrolling through the chat. Active chat we got here. No, yes. Thank you. It's 50K. Seriously, I'm so grateful to everyone here. Yeah, I'm just so grateful to you guys. It's been crazy, hasn't it? It's been 8 months now, maybe 9 months. So thanks again for everybody supporting the channel. Yeah, it's break time. Sorry, I got engrossed. I got very engrossed. I'm like coding. I'm just getting price data from the TD Ameritrade API right now, and I think I have to define all the studies myself. I might be wrong. There's probably somebody defined it somewhere, so I'm just gonna go find that. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, but at least I got the API to work. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing and got engrossed about. What about you guys? Daedalus, do you have the playlist for the sessions? I like the one here, hypnotic but in the right way. So all my music comes from Stomp's playlist, which I linked in the descriptions below. I don't remember which playlist is which, I'm afraid. I just kind of take some of the ones that I like. I think I like the ones that are usually more mellow and chill. So it's the ones that are titled usually like 4 a.m. and I can't sleep, or Japanese relaxation or something like that. I think this one was like a can't sleep one. Like it's like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. One of those. Sorry, I don't remember the exact one. Let's see. Asta. Hey Tina, can you make a separate video on how to learn Java from basics to advanced, the frameworks? You know, it really, my how to learn to code video, I recommend Python to people who don't have experience in Python, like in coding, but you can do the same thing with Java if you want. The reason why I recommend Python as like the best intro one is simply because it's the one that's the most, it's the fastest for you to actually like start implementing stuff. And I think for beginners, the biggest issue if you're not in school or anything like that, it's you tend to give up really easily. You know, you run into issues and you can't figure it out and you feel stressed out and you give up. So Python is one that you can get started really quickly with. And also there's a lot more support and the documentation is generally better for Python. But if you wanted to do the same for Java, like it's literally completely the same. It's just a different language. It's like learning how to talk in English versus learning how to talk in French. You know, it's similar enough. And you're still communicating, able to communicate the same things. Daedalus, welcome to your pause time. Same to you guys here. You're so excited that I got a new grand piano. Can't stop playing at night. Now I'm so sleep deprived every day. Yo, that's so sick. A grand piano? That's really fancy. It reminds me of that anime I was watching, the Your Lie in April again. Like the piano and violin duel. What kind of music do you usually play? Classical? I don't know if you've heard of a guy called Jan Tiersen, I think his name is. He's one of my favorite kind of, I don't know what genre, it's like contemporary classical music. I really like his music. Andrew, I have a question to ask. What's your question? What's your question, Andrew? Did you ask it? I cannot find it. My question is, many people say that if your IQ is below 90, stop wasting your time to learn programming. Do you agree? Andrew, are you green tea? Sebi, he's green tea, right? Just wanna confirm that you are green tea, I think. You know what, Andrew? I'm not gonna answer that question because I think we spent a very long amount of time yesterday trying to explain that what really matters a lot more is your, like, from what I can tell, the way that you're thinking right now, like whatever it is that I say or anybody else says, you're just constantly thinking about it in the perspective of a fixed mindset. You're like, I'm too stupid, I'm not smart enough to do this, like I can't do these things. If you don't change your mindset, I'm afraid, like, whatever it is that we answer your question, however it is that we say, you're always going to come up with a new way of asking the same question, and you're still not actually going to get started, which is the greatest determinator of your ability to program or anything else. I'm sorry if that sounds a little harsh, but I think it's I'm saying this out of, you need to change that. That's what you need to fix first, not your intelligence, your IQ, your mindset. All right. Haritha, applying to data science internships. It's so hard. Oh my God. Yo, I know. Tell me about it. When I was applying, I got rejected from every single one, except I actually got rejected from every single one in my internships. The only acceptance I got for an interview is my current job, and that was for full time. Definitely is hard. That's why I went the, like, going for software engineering route. And yeah, if you're from technical background, recommend like maybe starting off as a software engineer. And if you're from maybe like that from the sciences, I would say go with like an analytics approach first if you can't get a job as a data scientist. Just don't give up. Devin, you're working on the Odin project, JavaScript project. Thanks for coding with me. I'm glad. Oh, it's the cute cat. So cute. If I knew how to draw, I would take that similar emoji and just like make it into beep beep with green eyes. No, beep doesn't even have green eyes. Why green eyes? That doesn't make any sense. I don't know where that came from. Making it into beep beep with orange eyes. You know what? Oh, okay, I know what. The reason why I said green eyes is because it just like kind of rolled off my tongue. Because I was watching cat videos. Anyways, we can make it into beep beep with orange eyes. That would be like my my channel logo. It has like beep beep and boop. They have to be in my channel logo, right? If I ever had one. Sebi, I'll take steamed plantains over Java any day. Is that a fair comparison, Sebi? How is that? You and your plantains. You know, I really still waiting for the day you're gonna serve me steamed plantains. But if Java is worse than steamed plantains, and I don't think Java is very bad at all, I think Java is actually quite good, then that means steamed plantains must be quite good as well. Logic. Let's see. Hi, yeah, Sebi, how's the podcast coming along? I'm curious too. Chris, the music today was super good. All right, I'll try to find some more music that's similar to this, like chill, dreamy, half asleep music. That's our vibe, right? Let's see. Shyam, 75 words per minute as of today. Touch typing is great. Ooh. I have no idea word speed. Is that fast or is that slow? Or is that average? What's the average word speed? Average typing words per minute. Professional typist is 50 to 80 words per minute. So that's pretty good. I assume as a non-professional typist. Good job. Saksham, you have these stats on your YouTube at around the 11-minute mark. How do you have that? Sorry, I have no idea what you're talking about. Let me see. At 11, it's pretty hard for me to actually scroll back, so I'm not actually sure what you're referring to. If you give me more context, I might be able to answer your question. I don't know what stats we're talking about. Let's see. Aku, hey Tina, how are you? I'm good. I feel pretty pumped from got through the excellent lectures by Rainer. That was really good. And then started coding my analysis stuff. So I'm pretty pumped. And then I'm gonna go out for a bike ride later. Hopefully I don't get rained on, and then I'm gonna go and start my day at work. Yeah. Let's see. Bobcat Didi, random question. How many languages do you speak? This one is for everyone. Yeah, how many languages? I'm curious. I just, people in like South America, I think, they tend to speak so many languages, and Europe as well. How many languages do I speak? I feel like I speak 2 1/10 languages. I'm not the most impressive here. The 10th is French because I still can't really speak French, but I feel like if you put me in France and nobody spoke English, and if I didn't speak French, I would be screwed. I would probably figure it out. I'm like at that level of French, but Chinese and English. Yeah. Data list. Touch typing like a bamboo pad or something? What's a bamboo pad? It sounds very advanced, my friend. Isn't it just like typing on keyboard? You guys are too cool. People ask me if I should get a mechanical, if I'm gonna get a mechanical keyboard, and I'm like, maybe. The one that I have, I just use my laptop keyboard right now, but I do have like a pretty cheap like Logitech keyboard that's over there. That's like not super cool, but I don't even use it. I just do it on my laptop. D Nogetsuni. I changed my job from teacher to full stack software engineer, working on projects for my portfolio. Awesome. That's really, really cool. Full stack software engineer. Exciting. Ed tech or just general projects? Asta, how much time do you dedicate daily for self-learning? Well, my self-learning times are all the times that you guys hang out with me. That's about it. That's the only time when I do self-learning. I mean, I guess I do read. I always read at night. If you want to count that, but that's it. I'm playing lots of Chopin. Cannot pronounce that. Scriabin, Mozart, Bach, and Schubert. Ah, classic. Sebi, Farhan, the editor guy got his PC messed up, so the first episode on hold, but other episodes recordings is on. Sebi, can you send the link to your podcast again? I think you may have, but seeing as I'm extremely disorganized, I have lost it. Do you mind? One episode in the Discord server. Oh shoot! I totally forgot. I was gonna watch the episode and I totally forgot. My bad. Let me actually go and listen to that. I'm making a note to myself right now because I have an awful memory when it comes to having to like remember stuff. I just like don't remember anything. Check out Sebi's podcast for reals. Andrew, hey Tina. Hello, how's it going? Hero X, thank you. Thank you. You're making me blush. Let's see. Kingsley, I am a mechatronics student. Which program do you recommend? What is mechatronics? I feel like I know what that is, but I don't know exactly for sure. Ah, yes, okay. Interdisciplinary engineering, electronic, electrical, mechanical engineering, common robotics, electronics. Okay. I mean, what language would I recommend? Or, yeah, which program do you recommend? I'm not sure what you mean by program. Like, school program? What program? I'm not sure. I feel like if with that kind of background, you probably know enough how to code and just, like, you do, like, software and hardware that I don't know what your goal is, but if I were you and I just like wanted to learn stuff, I would just do projects at that point. You probably know how to code pretty well. Yeah, that would be my recommendation. Puzzled out. I went to grad school for business analytics and start my new job next month. Your videos helped a lot. Thank you. I'm so glad. I'm so happy for you. Grad school for business analytics. Start a new job next month. Congrats. Sabi, I maybe barely typed 20 words per minute. CH, small question. What do you think with using Java as data scientist? Ooh, would not recommend. TBH, would not recommend. I would say go with Python if you're going to be a data scientist, or if you're in research or public sector, you should go with R. Just generally, Java is like object oriented. It's better for software engineering, and most of the similar software engineering based uh it's like C, C++, all these different things. They're all very similar to Java, and I think that's better for that function. But as data scientists, we don't really write code in that way. It's more of like in a notebook or like script form. And our code is not really about like efficiency or like things like that. Like it doesn't have to be like super the things that software engineers care about. So I don't think Java is super good for that. And also all the good like ML packages and analytics stuff, they're in Python and R. Especially Python if you're going for ML. R has great statistical testing, much better than Python. And if you're just like querying stuff, doing manipulation in data, R is generally better. War in Python, I just import the like SQL Python, I forgot what it's called, like the module that lets you do SQL, because I find it a lot easier than the Python's pandas like native data manipulation. Farhan, have you been looking to Forex? Yes, I have been. I've been looking to Forex this week and last week as well. Doing Rainer's video. I don't know. I haven't actually started trading Forex. I don't have a Forex account yet. TD Ameritrade is just being a huge pain in the butt. So I don't even know if I want to open a Forex account with them. Maybe I'll try to find something else as well. Yeah, if you have any recommendations, let me know if you have any recommendations for good brokers. I like to try it out from like a very small amount of money, and we'll see. Kidu, he's asking about extension used to display the YouTube tags and stuff of video you watch. Oh, okay, makes sense. Thanks for explaining to me, Kidu. Yeah. Oh, that's just I forgot. Let me see. Oh, that's Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy. So those stats, yeah, if they're both free, like TubeBuddy you can pay for it, but I didn't pay for it. And Keywords Everywhere, it's free as well. And it just shows you like the tags and stuff and then how good the video is and things like that. Toolkits of YouTubers. I'm like really not cool. And there's like YouTubers who actually do like analytics and stuff, and I'm just like not paying for any of that. It's yeah, anyways. Jay, I'm 18, not sure what I want to do, but I want to do something which is freelance. Got any advice? Get started, right? If you're gonna do some freelance stuff, then get started. Do some of your own projects. See if anybody wants help with anything. Maybe get a freelance job building a website for someone or something like that. It'll be a great place to get started. Ooh, languages. Kidu, 3 languages. Sebi, 4 languages. What do you speak? 3. 7 languages? Holy crap, you guys are so cool. Tell me, what languages do you speak? 5.4 languages. Trying to learn the programming ones currently. Are we talking about... I thought we were talking about speaking languages. Wait. Did I misunderstand again? I'm so bad at comprehension. Are we talking about coding languages or speaking languages? If we're talking about programming languages, how many programming languages do I know? C, C++. I don't know if I should count JavaScript. I don't really know JavaScript very well still. Python, R. Oh, sorry, no. I guess I can count HTML, CSS if I want to count that. Maybe JavaScript. I don't know. I don't think I would count JavaScript. Does assembly count? I also know assembly, unfortunately. Okay, I guess I know in terms of programming languages, I know between 5 and 6 languages, I think. Like decently, maybe. Red, I just loop my key switches and also doing Twitter analysis through the Twitter API. Very cool, Twitter API, yeah. I actually done some stuff with Twitter API as well. I think they have, it was like when I was using it, there was this new like restriction that was put on. I don't know if it's still there. It was like you can't really pull that many tweets anymore, which was like possible previously. I don't know if they ended up changing that. Let me know how you feel about the Twitter API. Like, is it useful to use? Melody, are you gonna set up a membership for your channel? Maybe create custom emojis, beep and boop, so we can use on chats and comments. Oh my god, there's another cat. It's so cute. How did you get that one? Wait. Melody, those are so... Wait, I need to see the other cat in a box. Oh, there's another cat in a box. I'm like, my heart. I have no idea how to do that. How do you do that? I would be very down for that if you guys. Okay, this I actually will remember to look into. That's so adorable. Yeah, Melody, I would be so down. Sub of membership, I guess it would be like I don't know, I don't even know how that would work. Is it like a tiered membership or something? So like if it's like subscription based and then I can provide information or also like I can make emojis and then you guys can just send it as super chats. Is that how it works? I need to look into this. Or if you don't like it, if you want to explain it to me. My YouTube game is a bit lagging, I think. Wait, I like can't even find your comment anymore. Okay, so I can create custom emojis of beep beep and boop. Okay, I'll look into it. This one I will look into. I'll have to ask someone to help me actually make the emojis though. I'm an awful artist. Bob Hadidi, I'm learning German, but it's very similar to Dutch. Still, that's fair. A lot of European languages are similar, but they still count. Okay, Bob Hadidi, are you Dutch? Are you Dutch? I feel like you mentioned this at some point. I don't remember. Oh, there's more cats. Somebody, more cats. Oh, there's more. You guys have found the thing that melts my heart. They're so cute. I'm gonna go upstairs and pet Beep Beep and Boop later. Bob Kadidi, I was talking about speaking languages. Okay, fair enough. I guess my number of programming languages that I know is far more impressive than the number of speaking languages that I know, than natural languages that I know. You can just use TradingView's paper account, Farhan. Oh, okay. I guess the TradingView keeps asking me to sign up, and I was like skeptical. I was like, oh no, do I have to put in like a card or something? Okay, but if they have a paper account, I don't know if they charge by subscription or if it's just like a normal brokerage, but I will look into that. I'd be down. Yeah, TD Ameritrade. Pity. I actually quite like TD Ameritrade. The platform is just such a pain in the butt. Roadmap for machine learning. Oh, there's a couple good ones. So Krish Naik has great roadmap for machine learning, and so does Data Professor. I would recommend checking out their channels for that. I'm getting confused. Sorry, I'm getting really confused. Cheyenne, is that another super chat? I can't tell if it was the same one as the previous one. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at this. Regardless though, I just want to say thank you to everyone for supporting the channel today. I really, really appreciate all your support. And it's not just monetary support as well, just you guys being here and everything. I just can't say that enough. Thank you all for being here and for supporting the channel. And of course, I really appreciate the super chats. Oh, you know what? Sorry, Sham, my bad. It was because the coloring was the same. The other one was someone else. Ah, thank you so much. Okay, let's try to answer more questions. I'm like getting distracted by all the cats. Like can't focus. Okay, wait, what are we talking about? Um, Farhan, I don't think you need a broker for that. Oh, okay. Yeah, paper trading I should need a broker, but usually you have to sign up for it anyway, right? So I don't know. Let me actually look into it. I have no idea what I'm talking about right now. Valentina, I'm glad. Great summary in R and Python. Sebi, at least a language club is better than a meditation club. Yeah, that would be awkward, wouldn't it? Sebi, Malayalam, my mother tongue, Hindi, English, Marathi, now learning Russian, German, and Spanish. the Gopnik Club. Everyone that's interested in Russian culture, please join the Russian Discord channel in which we discuss our love for Russian and especially Gopnik culture. A plug there. Yes, there is a Discord. Yes, there's a Discord. I can put the link there again for the Discord channel. Discord server, don't know what you call it. There you go, Discord. Let's see. D Nogatsuni, if you want cat emojis, I can make them. I'm also a freelance artist. Can you reach out to me through Discord? Discord over LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, I don't know, it just gets like buried a little bit. Reach out to me on Discord and just tell me who you are. I'm so down to make cat emojis. That is like priority. And thank you, Melody, for suggesting it. I think you've just opened up a whole new box of possibilities, a whole new realm of possibilities in which we make lots of different cat emojis. I have a beautiful heart. Thank you. Oh, you guys are making me feel so good about myself today. My self-esteem just went up like 50%. Christian, how about Khan Academy courses do you recommend? Yeah, I really like Khan Academy. I haven't used them in like coding stuff before, but I did use them to brush up on my statistics. Like I used Brilliant mostly for my stats. But Khan Academy, like for some specific concepts that I wanted to understand deeper than what Brilliant was showing, I used Khan Academy for. Yeah, but in general, I really like them, and they're like completely free. They're non-profit, so I think that's so cool. Babka Didi, I'm from Belgium, but we speak Flemish, which is a Dutch dialect. Also, we have more regional dialects which each have French and German influences, and we learn English, of course. That's so cool. So if you're a Belgian, you automatically know like 4 languages, just like off the bat, huh? That's crazy. And then you compare that to people like a lot of Americans, where like Canadians, were people from the UK, not bashing on them, but it's like English is usually like their only language. And then it's just funny how other people, especially like Europeans and South Americans, they just learn like everything. Melody, that would be cool. Viewers who would join a membership will pay an amount that you set, and you can create different levels of memberships. Emojis are part of the perks. Okay, I will look into this. Thanks for explaining to me. Ida, hey Tina, Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade Fidelity platforms are some of the most popular. Yeah, I do use Thinkorswim right now, but they're just a pain in the butt because I tried to open up another account with them because I wanted to do like live streaming myself, building trading bot last week. I wanted to do it last week. And I feel really bad because I had to ask Jake, who is the guy that I'm working with, to actually push it back by a week because I've just been having like so much back and forth. I've been trying to open up an account for like I think like almost 3 weeks now. It's like every time I try to open it, they're like, oh, you need this document. I send them a document and they're like, well, actually, you need this document instead. And then I do that. And then they keep asking me for like the same document, and their turnaround time is like 4 days in between. So that I just got like pretty annoyed at that. But my personal account that I use for the Thinkorswim, I really do like their platform. And they have, the TD Ameritrade just has like a good API to use. Fidelity, I think I use Fidelity for my 401k. I don't even know. I don't even look at my 401k, but yes. Actually, yeah, maybe I can look into Fidelity as well. Maybe they're less annoying than TD Ameritrade. Thanks for the suggestion. Shine, Bayer, I like your videos. Keep it going. I'm glad. Paper trading is in TradingView is free. You can also write primitive bots in their own language called PineScript. Ooh, okay. We'll check it out. Let's see. Asta, thanks for answering my question. Can you also tell me how to set timelines so as to get motivation to complete learn it while starting learning one language? We're talking about programming languages, right? The video that I came out last week, how I would learn to code, I do have a timeline for you, in which I said that you can, if you're doing like 4 hours a day, like 4 proper hours a day, you're not doing anything else, then you can learn the basics in around 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, and then you can start building your first project. First project will probably take you about a week or so, but you can always keep iterating on those projects. So that's really like a rough timeline. I think what's most important is like if you're focusing completely on learning how to code, it would take around 2 to 3 weeks to get the basics down. And then after that, after you're past that hump, it gets like, you kind of get in the groove of things afterwards. And then if you just show up to these live streams, that's 3 times a week, right? And then if you're just building projects throughout them, I think that would be very motivating, and you'll see that it actually doesn't take as much time and as much effort as you might believe it to. Remember to drink water. Remember to drink water. Stay hydrated. You messaged me on Discord. Awesome. Okay, I will check it out after I go out for my bike ride. Speaking of which, I need to go now. I need to leave. All right. Farewell, my friends. It is 10:01 a.m. Gotta go on my bike ride and start the day. Everybody else, let me just quickly scroll through. I don't want to leave out anybody. Bye, Shayam. Thanks for joining. Let's see. All right. Yep, I'm gonna head out now. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday. Hope you guys can join. Thank you so much for joining again. And again, thanks to everyone for the super chats. You guys make my day, and everybody loved the energy going on. See you guys on Friday.